Today I want to show you how to cut a whole chicken to lay flat, or how to spatchcock a chicken. This method allows your chicken to cook faster and evenly, and it also gives it a crispier skin when cooking. When you get your chicken from the shop, most likely it's gonna be delivered to you, or when you buy it, it's gonna be in this position. And what you wanna do is just flip it over, because this is where the spine is, and that's where we're gonna make our two cuts, which they're gonna be just on the side of the spine. The spine is right in the center, and the cuts will be right here. Now, using a kitchen scissors or shears, which are even better, are slightly stronger, something like this, we're gonna make two cuts, as I said, just on both sides of the spine. One cut is done, so as you can see, here is the spine, and now we're gonna do the other one. We've got the spine out. Now we're pretty flexible at this point, but still we have some sort of resistance, which comes from the breastbone. And what you want to do with the breastbone, which is right here, is just snap it with your knife. Once you've done that, just press, and here is your flat chicken.